Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbird143. In this tutorial, I will show how to resize the images in our web page. In my previous tutorial, I have added my favorite image into my web page. Now I want to resize this image. Before this, I want to add one more image into my web page. Open web page using Notepad++. For adding image, please type img source equal to, within the inverted commas, please type the file name indiagate.jpg and close the inverted commas. For image files, no need to add ending tag. After that, please save this file, come to web page and please reload this. Now I got my new image into my web page. For resizing these both images, come to Notepad++. In the image tag, please type width and height attributes to shrink your images. Width equal to 400 pixels and height equal to 300 pixels. Similarly, for other image, please type width equal to 400 pixels and height equal to 300 pixels. After this, please save the project. Again, come to the web page. Please reload the page. Now the images are resized to the given width and height. Here I want to point out something to you. If you want to speed up your web page by resizing the images in this way will not speed up your web page, because whenever we open the web page, browser look for the source image on the server and resize it according to our specifications. Then only it will show the resized image to the users. To avoid this, it is better to resize our images using Photoshop editor or Paint before uploading the images into our web page. Like this, we can resize the images in our web page. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.